What's up everybody? In this video I'm going to show you 5 free mint NFT projects that I'm keeping my eye on, and they're not DGM projects. They all building something, either video game, metaverse, or in real life utilities and etc. And I think they all have a really good potential. But before we show you the project, just have to say something. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. This video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. Always do your own research before investing money into anything. So the first project, it's called Oni, and it's a place where mysterious Oni spreads in a metaverse like a wildfire. They have a website, they have a pre-mint link, and then they have a Discord. We're not going to dive deep into every single project. I'm just going to briefly show them and you can do research on your own. And if we scroll down, as you can see, they're getting really good engagement. And as you can see, this is not even a giveaway. And they posted 1 hour ago and it already has 165 likes and 82 retweets and 105 comments. So engagement is really good, even in this market condition. Second project, it's called Idenifty, and the founder is this individual right here, and then the artist is right here. And if we scroll down, as we can see, their engagement is also not bad. Even this is a post almost a month ago. Engagement is also really good for this market conditions. And then the third project, it's called Akogare, and it's the bridge between East and West in the Web3. Then if we scroll down, as you can see, also getting this an engagement, and on August 4th this was posted, and it has 600 likes, 266 retweets, and 236 comments. There's not a whole lot about this project. There's no website or any other links, but it's worth to keep an eye on and try to get a whitelist spot. Then the fourth project, it's called L3E7, and this is world first 3D location-based service game, cloning the whole earth into cyberpunk metaverse. Your in real life adventure awaits. So it looks like this is going to be video games or metaverse or something like that. And if we scroll down, as you can see, like this was posted on August 11th and it already has 15,000 likes and almost 15,000 retweets as well. So this project is getting a lot of hype. This one for sure worth to keep an eye on and try to get a whitelist spot. And then the last project, it's called DFA, Art is Timeless. You might as well be patient. And then they have a premium link. They also have a website. Same thing on this one. They're getting really good engagement. Like this one was posted on August 7th and it has 17,000 likes, 17,000 retweets. But again, this is most likely due to premium links or collabs, because this is part of the requirements to like and retweet one of their tweets. But still, even for this market conditions, it's getting a lot of engagement. So this is it. This is all 5 projects that I'm keeping my eye on, and I'm trying to get a whitelist spot for every single one of them, because most likely they're gonna do very well since they're not DGM projects, but they're actually building something. All the projects that I just showed you, I'm gonna leave links in the description below, and good luck to everybody. Thanks for watching.